everybody. Dave from Corso here. Bill, drinking my coffee. Before I get into a special announcement, Bill, I'd like you to know, as I was doing some video editing and comparing the consumption of coffee between Alex and I drink a lot of coffee for you, but we wouldn't have it any other way. So today is a super special day on the channel for this reason. The awesome folks from Freewave have sent us some ZumLink 900 wireless radios, and we're going to make this be our first official unboxing on the channel. So let's get to it. Cool, hope you guys can see. So a little bit about Freewave. These guys are based out of Boulder, Colorado, and historically they've done lots of radios for like oil and gas and heavy-duty industrial and defense contracting along those lines. And recently they've been moving much more towards the entirety of a connected industrial ecosystem, and that's kind of where the ZumLink stuff comes in. So we hooked up with these guys with inductive automation's ignition onboard or edge onboard, and the idea behind these radios is that they have basically they have a Linux box in them, and we will be able to go ahead and install edge licensing on them right away and be able to use them as an edge gateway. So I'm excited. I hope you guys are excited. Good tape job. Like Christmas morning. Okay. So a quick start guide. Ooh. And the money shot. Okay. Nice. So you guys saw, these are the ZumLink 900s, is what we're calling them. And then these guys, at least for the demo, kind of sell it as an all-in-one kit. And they, let's see, they include power supplies, I'm guessing? Yep, they include power supplies because they've been in the field when you're trying to demo something and your wireless radios don't have power supplies installed. So, I don't know if it's coming through on camera, but the build quality is super impressive. It's all metal. You guys can hear that, and it's very nicely painted and designed. It looks pretty straightforward plug and play wise, and I'm guessing these are for the antennas. And antenna, yeah, okay. So, I, in a previous life before Corso, have worked with some various different sets of radios, and so I've gone through and done this once or twice. But let me get these set up and then we'll come back. Ooh, let's go. Okay, I'll let this boot up and see if we're going to get anything else. I'd like to make a quick shout out to our buddy Paul at Crosstree Creative. We actually want to dedicate this, our first official unboxing video, to you and your dying love of unboxing videos. He also loves our War Bag series. We may or may not have created half of them specifically for him. Link below if you're interested. Okay, so got some more lights powering on. And yeah. So while we're working on this, I actually have Mike's business card somewhere. Mike, I don't have your business card somewhere. I had it before I started this. But I will go ahead and put Mike's contact info on the screen from the business card. Mike has been super great. Met him a couple of times when we were both in Southern California. He and Renee and the rest of the Freewave team were out there at ICC, and we talked about all of these, and he was super nice to reach out and tell us that they would be more than happy to give us a couple of these to put some edge licensing on and to create some demos to be able to show you guys, our customers, both online as well as in person. So I think this is probably about as good a place as any to stop the unboxing video. Stay tuned soon. We're going to talk to our buddy Shane Miller at Inductive Automation. You should know Shane from the videos. And get some edge licenses. We're going to put some edge licenses on here. And then we're going to connect it to the Corso demo server and connect it to some other stuff and see what happens. Thanks. Again, Dave from Corso. Drinking my coffee. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Talk to you guys soon. Bye-bye.